In today's Hooptech how-to, we will show you how to use our side of cap clamp. This clamp is made specifically to accommodate for the sweatband to be out of the way during sewing. This is an excellent option if you are wanting to sew your side and back of caps flat. If you would like to sew them on a cap driver, check out our back of cap video. We are using a Tajima, but our clamps work on many different industrial machine makes and models. The side of cap clamp comes with an adapter bracket for your machine. Before you put it on your machine, loosen these 4 screws. Set it on the machine and then screw it on. Before you tighten those 4 screws, make sure it's resting flat on the sewing arm, and then go ahead and tighten them down with an Allen wrench. Cut the corners of a small piece of backing and slide it into the backing holder. This will keep it secure while you slide the cap on. Slide the cap on with the sweatband pulled out. The silver piece will hold back the sweatband so it's out of the way. Now you can close the clamp and make any necessary adjustments. Always do a trace to protect your machine, and then begin sewing your design. This window size is 3 by 2.75 inches. Your design will need to be slightly smaller than this to allow for the presser foot. Here's the finished product. Thanks for watching another Hooptech how-to. For more tips and tricks, check out our Facebook or Instagram.